Hi everyone, here is another video in the homework help series. So this one is, let me just make a note, we're talking year 11 mathematical methods and we're on exercise 5.03 and I'm looking particularly at question 4e, binomial expansion. So here it is. The question says 4m plus 5u to the power of 7. Now thankfully we don't have to expand the whole thing. The question simply says find the first three terms. So the first three terms would go like this. Now the number at the top is a power of 7. So our coefficients will be given by 7c something. The first one, I'm just going to turn that other application off which keeps throwing notifications at me. That was slightly annoying, wasn't it? So there we go, hopefully that will not stop. So the first one is 7, it's 7c something. The first term is always 7c0. Then we have 4m here as the first part of the binomial. That will be power of 7 in the first one, and we have 5u which will be the power of 0. That's the first term in the expansion. Now let's continue the pattern. The second term will be 7c, and we increase from a 0 to a 1 at the bottom of this coefficient. We still have 4m and we still have 5u, but the powers change. Instead of a power 7, it drops to a power 6, and this one increases to a power of 1. Next bit we have 7c2, and this is our third term. We could keep going all the way to 7c7 if we needed the full expansion, but this question just said the first three. And then it's 4m, now it's power of 5, 5u is squared. So 7c0 is 1. That can be done on the calculator, or if you check the combinations video you can see how to work that out. Then we would have 4 to the power of 7, m to the power of 7, remember the index applies to both of the terms in the brackets. Then 5 to the power of 0, u to the power of 0. 7c1 is 7, 4 to the power of 6, m to the power of 6, by 5 to the power of 1, u to the power of 1. And finally we have 7c2, and that is 21. If my brain's turned on, I'm pretty sure that's 21. 7 by 6 over 2, yep, multiplied by 4 to the power 5, m to the power 5, then 5 squared by u squared. Now of course this would continue. This is only the first three terms. We've got a bit of simplifying to do here, don't we? And I will definitely want my calculator for this one. So the first term, I have 4 to the power of 7. That's a remarkable number. And remember that 5 to the power 0 here is really just 1. So I've got 1 times 1 times 4 to the power 7. My coefficient for this term is 16,384. m to the power 7 will still occur, and u to the power 0 is really just 1. So that's my first term. The second term, I'm going to have to multiply the 7 by the 4 to the power of 6 by the 5 to the power of 1. That will give me, and that's most definitely a calculator job there, 4 to the power of 6 multiplied by 5. 5 to the power 1, of course, is just 5. This is 143,360. Now my pronumerals, m has the power of 6. U to the power of 1 is just u, so we don't write powers of 1. They don't really mean anything different. The third term, what have I got to play with on the third term? 21 by 4 to the power 5 by 5 squared. So here we go. 21 by 4 to the power of 5 multiplied by 5 squared is 25, and this gives me 537,600. M to the power of 5 will occur, and this time that's u squared plus ... Now fortunately we don't have to go any further than that, because this question said just write the first 3 terms of the expansion. But that gives you the process. So if there's any questions, don't be afraid to drop me a line in Teams or email me directly. Thank you.